Well, today is an exciting day. I got my delivery from Creekside Nursery of the proven winner plants that I ordered, I think, back in January. So I'm going to share the unboxing with you and this lovely bee. Well, it looks like it was packed very well. Each one is packed in paper, and these are the, no, they're not the ones that break down. But this is the Supertunia Mini Vista Ultramarine. Here's a packing slip. The packing slip says red, white, and purple. And these are the white. But there you go. These are ready to go. They're going to be gorgeous in my welcoming garden. But we are at the entrance garden, and it looks gorgeous with all of the mulching and one lonely little tulip. A lot of this was disturbed when they put the mulch on, but it looks very good. Shasta daisies in a row in the back there, and hopefully the mums will come back. We'll see. Well, all the petunias are planted. And now it's time for the begonias. And then I'll be putting something yellow in that spot. Well, the planting in the welcome garden is now complete. And we're ready for the growing season.